Hey guys, so welcome back, and today we're going to be focusing on meervoude, which you have been doing since primary school. We're not unfamiliar with it. Meervoude, which means plurals, and if you get confused, meer in Afrikaans means more, so meervoude, more than one. Plurals. So now with Afrikaans plurals, it can be a bit tricky. There are so many rules. So I'm gonna break them down and explain them to you, but ultimately it'll be your job when you have exams or stuff like that to do your own research and cram the rules yourself, because it is a lot of rules. And unlike with what I'm doing now, so what I'm doing is I'm taking an explanation that has two sections, or that's rather one section, and I'm breaking it up into two. So I'm doing this, then I'll do an exercise, then I'll do the second set of rules and an exercise, where the exercises will match the rules. Whereas if you have an exam, you're just gonna have a whole bunch of words in like a certain structure, and you're gonna have to figure out which rules apply to what, as in order to have the correct plural for that specific word. So without further ado, let's hop on it. I won't be doing any writing today, so that's awesome. Well, for now. So Reël means rule, doen means do, voorbeeld means example. So that is Reël, doen, and voorbeeld. And it's divided into these categories. So, rule number 1. So the first few rules are the rules you've been learning since primary school. It's the rules you start with, the really basic ones. Single vowel, a vowel, A, E, I, O, U. So if you have a word with a single vowel, you double the consonant, which is usually at the end of the sentence, and you add an E. For example, kat becomes kat. So cat became cats. So I'll write the English just so you can have an idea of what it looks like and what the word actually means. So rule number 1, when you have a single vowel, you double the consonant and you add an E. So, and usually when you have a single, words in Afrikaans with single vowels are very short. Mat, bat, son, they have single vowels, so it's usually very short words. So it's very easy to just double the consonant, which is always the last letter, and add an E. Awesome. Our second rule, ending in double consonants. So a word ending with 2 consonants. All we do is we add an E. So for example, tert, which is terte. Tert is like a tert. You have a tert, which can be a treat. Milk tert, milk tart, a tart. And then tert can also mean tail or bum, tert. But I think for this, let's just keep it as tart. Tarts. Awesome. Moving on. Double vowel in the middle. So as you can see, I have gone and made the effort to write down the rules in English so that you can actually understand them. I should have done it in Afrikaans because you guys are grown, but let's carry on. So a double vowel in the middle. So when you have 2 vowels in the middle of a word, as e-g, o-e, e-u, and i-e, etc. So o-e, e-u, i-e, a word with 2 vowels in the middle. Okay, we add an e only. Schoen, which is a shoe. Shoes. Schoen. So can you see the double? Do I have another color? Okay, that's fine. The double vowel in the middle, the ending in double consonant. These are 2 consonants. That's what it ended in. Single vowel. There's our single vowel. Okay. So schoen word schoen. Let's carry on. Twin vowels. Twin vowels means 2 vowels, the same vowels. Remember twins? Anything related to twin means same. So twin vowels, two vowels that are two of the same vowels. And when we have twin vowels, we remove the twin. So we remove one of the twin vowels. Or we remove one of the twin vowels and we add an E. For example, Haas, here's our twin vowels. And Haas becomes Haasa. So we've removed one E and now we've removed one A and added an E. Haasa. So twin vowels, move an E, Haasa. Awesome. Next one. More than one syllable. What's a syllable? How many sounds a word makes? So apple. Dark horse. Is that even one word? Basically, but you get the idea. So when we have more than one syllable, we add an S only. Banco. Banco. Two syllables. More than one syllable. Bancos. We've added our S. Ending. Let's just get the last two at the bottom here. Ending in short sounding vowels. Ending in short sounding vowels, we add an apostrophe S. NB the apostrophe. Recognize the apostrophe. It is very important that you put the apostrophe there. So, ending in a short sounding vowel, photo, photos, apostrophe S. Verkleinwoorde. Verkleinwoorde is diminutive, so it's when you take a word and you make it smaller. So, like a diminutive of a cat would be a kitten, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, cat, kitten, baby, or yeah. So when we have words that are already in verklein, we add an S only. So boompie becomes boompie. Boompies. Okay? So, how many rules did we cover today? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna write them down, the numbers. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have covered 7 rules today for now. First rule, when we have a single vowel, we double the consonant and add E. When we have a word ending with double consonant, we add an E. When we have a double vowel in the middle, we add an E. When we have twin vowels, we remove a twin and add an E. When a word has more than one syllable, we add an S. When a word is ending in a short vowel sound, we add an apostrophe S. Then when a word is in verkleinen, diminutive, we add an S only. Awesome. So I really do hope that this breakdown of the first 7 rules, which are the most simplest rules, the rule that you've been learning for a very long time, really did help you in understanding what exactly it takes to get a word from being single to plural. Awesome. Thank you so much for joining me on this lesson, guys. See you guys again next time. Bye.